Hello viewer, myself Abhishek and I am your Odoo trainer from Evoza Technologies. Today we are going to discuss how to control expenses, budget and approval. So if we have budgeted something and if it's going out of budget or it is going over budget, then how we can control that thing and approve these budgets. So we have that app which can do this thing for you, that is controlling out of budget at Evoza. So the app name is Out of Budget Expense Approval. So this application allow user to control its expenses by making budget, and if some expenses are out of budget, then those will be approved by authority. That means approval is needed if the budget is going over. So the key feature is budget approval and over budget approval. So let's go through its configuration. First of all, we need to go to user and we need to check that budget approval, that this user has a right to approve the budget. That is, we are giving this right to user that he or she can approve the budget. Then we have when we create the budget, there is a option of approval needed over here with the percentage of approval, how much percent it can be approved, and approval is needed above 1900. For example, the planned amount is 2000 and if amount goes above 1900, then approval will be needed. So when we create a budget, in that budget we have this configuration settings. Once you install the app, it will appear. So once you create a draft bill, here it is 20,000, so it says that you need to send this bill for approval to the user which is having the rights. So whenever you try to confirm the bill, it will show this message: you need approval for fuel expense account. That means this amount is going over budget and user needs approval for this thing. So do not wait now, get this app installed from Odoo App Store now, and that can help you in the system. Thank you. You can get in touch with us at info@evoza.com, or you can call us on given numbers to get this app. Thank you once again.